Affiliate marketing tips and tricks to help you succeed. If you are looking for a solution to your money problems, affiliate marketing could be your answer. However, do not be fooled by thinking affiliate marketing will not require much work on your part. The truth is that it requires a good bit of work if you really want to make serious money doing it. You will find some tips below to assist you. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to know your audience. You need to understand your readers' needs and what they may be looking for when they come to the site. Make sure that the ads you post are things that your audience would be interested in, or they will not click on them. Always look for the affiliate services that give you the products and services that you need. It might be best to use many affiliate networks to market your products, and provide many different avenues of income. It's important to not contract with affiliates that you don't stand behind. If you wouldn't buy their product, then you shouldn't endorse it through affiliate marketing. If you are going to make cash through the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you know who your audience is. If your website is about trumpet mouthpieces, then you probably will not make very much profit by advertising for vacuum cleaners because your audience is not in the market for a new vacuum. Look for websites with good sales. If their rate of buyers is less than 1%, you may want to reconsider working with them. You get paid if people buy, and if people aren't buying from the website, it will not matter how many customers you send them. This ratio is an important one to consider when searching for affiliates. Make sure your affiliate programs match the content of your blog or website. You will have a lot more click-throughs and results when you have a product that your market has an interest in. A page dedicated to the fashion industry is not going to have as much luck selling printer toner. As you can see, it is possible to be successful with affiliate marketing, but it requires a lot of discipline. You need to take these pieces of advice to heart, and learn how you can apply them to be successful. If you do not have the discipline to do this, then do not bother with affiliate marketing. However, if you do have the discipline, then go for it. Student loan.